What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. You can now copy trade me on Phemex, which is the leverage trading platform where I trade crypto every day. First thing I gotta say is this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. I'm just showing you how to get started copy trading on Phemex. Trading has risks. Make sure you only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is have your own Phemex account. So if you don't already have a Phemex account, you can click the link in the description of this video, and that's where you're gonna find my invite link. So that way, when you click it and go to sign up, it has my invite code automatically entered, and that qualifies you for special bonuses in the future. But right now, we just wanna talk about copy trading. So you're gonna create an account. Then once you're in, you're gonna go right at the top, click futures, then click on copy trade. This is gonna take you to the top traders on Phemex. I'm one of the top traders, so you're gonna find me on the front of this page. Gonna look for Cassius, just scroll down. I should be right there. The other thing you can do is click the link in the description, and if you already have your Phemex account open, it will take you directly to my page. Here you can see some of my stats, but really all you have to do is click copy. The only other decision you have to make is how big of a bankroll you want to put into this copy trading account. So it won't use all the money you have on Phemex, just however much you allocate to copy me. So for example, I have about $10,000 in there. If you put in $10,000 and I put 10% on a trade, it'll also take $1,000 of your dollars and put it on a trade. If you have $100,000 copying me, which is totally fine, then it'll put $10,000 on a trade. It's pretty straightforward. You can stop copying me anytime, get out of a trade anytime you want. Copy trading is a great way to get started with trading, so you can actually follow someone step by step and see all of their trades and how they're getting in and out and navigating leverage when trading crypto. Make sure you share this video with anybody else who's interested in learning how to trade crypto, who's interested in learning how to leverage trade. They can do it right here on Phemex. It's a great platform. I find it very user-friendly. It's the only leverage trading platform that I use, and I use it every single day. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section of this video, or join my private Discord group. I'm in there every single day. It's called the Profit Circle. The link is in the description of this video. You can join for free. So all you need to do to join for free is have a Phemex account. It's pretty simple. All you do is put your user ID number into the bot in Discord, and boom, it'll verify you. You go to WAP, all the instructions are right there. Get 1 year for free. Make sure you share this video with friends, like and subscribe, and that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.